In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account in HostGator's Web Host Manager, also known as WHM. This process is essential for setting up new domains and is quite straightforward once you're familiar with the interface. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, you'll need to log into your HostGator WHM account. For those who might be new to WHM, it's a powerful tool that allows you to manage multiple accounts within a web hosting environment. It gives you a centralized way to handle your hosting requirements, especially if you're managing several domains. Once you're logged in, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left sidebar, you will see a variety of functions, but for now, direct your attention to the Account Functions section. Within Account Functions, you'll find an option labeled Create a New Account. Click on this and it will take you to the Setup page. This page is crucial as it's where you will input the details for the domain you're about to host. Begin by entering the new domain name you wish to host. It's important to ensure that the domain name is correctly spelled and matches your registration details, as this will be the identifier for the site you're creating. Following this, you'll need to assign a username and a strong password. The username serves as an identifier for server purposes, so try to keep it simple yet descriptive. The password should be robust to secure your account, ideally using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to maximize security. Take a moment to note these down securely since you'll need them whenever you log in to manage this account. Now you'll choose a hosting package. If you're uncertain about which package to select, HostGator typically offers predefined hosting plans with various resources. However, if you have specific requirements, you can customize the resource limits to fit your specific needs. Consider the expected traffic and the types of resources your domain will require, such as disk space and bandwidth. Once you have filled out all the necessary fields, double-check the information to ensure accuracy. When you're confident everything is correct, click the Create button at the bottom of the form. This will finalize the setup process. Please note that the creation process might take a few moments as the server configures the new account. And that's it. You've successfully created a new account within HostGator WHM. The new domain is now hosted and can be